Here we will write a program to find entered number is odd or even using function in Python. So first we'll open the IDLE, then we'll add new file, and in comment line we'll write the program description. Then first we'll define the function with def keyword find even odd. Here we will define the function with parameter. So find even odd with parameter x, and then we will check if x mod 2 equal to 0, we will print number is even, else we will print number is odd. Then we will accept the number from the user. So n equal to int input enter number, and we will call the function find even odd, and we will pass n as a parameter. Then we will save it, find even odd, and then we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will give 5. It will print number is odd. Again I will execute it. I will enter number 6. It will print number is even.